If we're measuring the voltage for the socket orders, what other thing we need to ensure as well? Apart from selecting the right gear, when we're pushing in the leads in the pole.
Make sure you're connected.
What we have to ensure? What go where?
The live and the left one.
So which prongs?
Small prongs.
Black one, the big one, and the red one, the small one.
Live.
Someone
left off. When they get the big thing now,
Yeah, I tell you.
So you said the red are going at the...
Yeah, I tell you like that.
Which slot at the left?
Stop my ear.
Man, be confident, man.
I get nervous. Alright, the meter is very expensive and you need to ensure that, especially because remember we're dealing with a polarizer 3-pin plug. So if it was a normal 2-pin plug, it doesn't really matter where your plug was. You can just push it into the hole. Yeah. But with this one, you have to ensure that you push the right leads in the right hole.
Take it class.
So you have it like this. You have the small slot here. Alright, so we're using the blue for the neutral and we're using the red for the light. So what I'm going to ask Mark before to try with this one first, so we know that he's going to do the right thing.
So smart.
So just show me which one of the leads them you'd put.
Smart.
So put it just so you do.
Say smart, I do something accent and I'm a
Hey, wait.
Record.
Meter fry. Meter sweat.
Alright, I'm going to turn on first.
Man plug in at 2 live.
Miss my washing meter.
Let's give him a way to
Yes, put another one. Yes.
Push it up in. Meter done.
Put it over the other side. Huh?
That's not right, Miss. No, no, no.
Alright, so I'm going to